do something.
And I'm back. Alright, well, it is time to
shave Daddy's beard.
Yep. The only way I could get her to agree to let me to do it was if she got to shave it herself. So, that's what we're gonna do.
I'm a little bit scared.
So, all you're doing is going over the beard.
Wait, can it hurt somebody?
No.
Guys, did you see me? I was like, oh, guys, I see so much white.
What?
I'm telling the truth. It's on your chin.
Well.
Just watch this video yourself.
No. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dad, just to tell you, you have a small head.
You have a small head.
Yeah, because I'm a child.
If Mr. Justin sees this video, he's gonna laugh about that because he always says I have a tiny head. But then again, I always say he has a really big head. Have you seen Mr. Justin's head? It's ginormous.
Like how big?
Like a giant pumpkin. Alright, I think that does it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, because this is the last part. Silly faces.
It does look weird, but I get used to it. Yeah. Feels a lot cleaner, that's for sure. So, you're just gonna be a weirdo. Alright. Well, if you're still here, thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments if you like it, or you know what? No, I don't want to know. I don't want to know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.